Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to get the new cowbell in UG. What you want to do, you just really want to kill all the cows, and I'll be showing this in the video. And there's a chance you can get it from crates, but there's a higher, well not higher, but there's more cows than crates. So it's easier to just kill cows. My strategy is to get a slingshot and just go down there, keep in one spot, and just go there to there, there to there.
Oh, I got it.
Because look, over there is a good spot because you go there to there, there to there, there to there. But it's quicker if you've got a flying dinosaur. Let's get into it.
No.
Wait, I need to just... Oh, Betsy's here. I'ma just... Yeah, should I be... Do you want to do Betsy? Or...
Yes.
Did you get the cow? Or did you get the thing?
Yes.
What, you got the cowbell?
Yes.
No, you didn't. Liar. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Oh, I thought that was
Hey,
it.
Cooper, where are you?
I'm killing all the cows. Bye, Apple. I flung an apple at you.
I'm on the horizon. Oh. It was a long run.
Oh yeah, we
Fight
just got the
included in the
T-Rex
video.
egg, as I said in my last video. But yeah, he got... I
Give me
don't
this
know what
food.
colour he even got. What colour did you even get?
I got Grimace, as you will be seeing on your channel.
Yo, no, don't
Soon.
eat that. That's for him. That's for him. Stop. Oh yeah. Stop eating it. That's not for you. For
I thought this was a girl.
it's for my friend because he's got
But yeah.
a level 0.
To your channel, you will be getting some content from
I
me.
got a sheep head over here. Lewis.
I'm already making my way.
Don't eat it or so. No, I'm not doing this for you. Little T-Rex is running away. And then I go over here. This is the strat. You go here. Crap, crap, crap. Did I get... No. Fly back over here. It's better to do with a friend because then you've got someone to talk to, and it's there faster.
Oh, I'm still here. I never left.
Don't worry, I'll kill it. I have to lose them there. Ah, it's running. Why did they make the Dragodon run?
It's gonna be like a leak for the future, like abilities.
Oh, I don't know if that's true, but
Well, that's my thoughts on it. That's kind of like a hint to the thing that they're gonna be adding abilities in the future. Dinosaur abilities.
oh, I got a sheep head.
Oh. Are you still recording, by the way?
Yeah, I got another sheep head. Yeah, because I'm recording trying to get the golden cowbell. No,
Wait, get this on camera. Get this on
I
camera.
am.
Ready?
Oh, this is his level 4 turning to level...
Feed him some milk.
That's what
He
happens when you
needs
get
some milk.
Alright, just keep leveling him up then, because we might as well.
I got Grimace over here.
No.
Hey, protect me, Cooper. He's trying to bully me. Thank you, Cooper.
I don't know if this
For
is true
saving
or
me
not,
from those
but
bullies.
Yum Yum might be just trolling us, but Hopefully it is actually possible to get the golden cowbell.
You scared me.
No, because there's a chance that Yum Yum's just trolling us. Because he's done it in the past. He likes to troll.
He is a little troll.
I got that on camera. If I post this and he sees, oh my god! I thought it spawned. I thought that. I keep thinking cheese is in.
Nanny, nanny, boo, boo.
Tell me if it spawns in that one. No.
Imagine they just fall from the sky.
Oh, and all the information I said at the start I got from other YouTubers and Yum Yum. So, oh, that cow's trying to be sneaky and run away. Come here, boy. Hunt him down, boy.
Get over here. Hey, this cow's trying to bully me. Shut up. Shut up.
Oh, it's already level 7.
Yeah, I know. He's a big boy. I'm not cringy or cringe.
Don't tell him I said this, but he's very cringe. I'm very cringe.
I heard that.
No.
I'm the all-hearing.
Oh my god, I keep thinking. Back up.
Cheese.
Hey, run.
Bernie's cheese.
I wanna run away. 8:30. 8:30.
Get out. Bro's trying to start 6-7 all over again. You're not that guy, pal. Trust me, you're not that guy.
No, but I am that guy, because watch this. See that? It died in one shot. Alright, well, that's it for that method. Let's go into the next method, which is... Oh, there's one right here. Keep breaking these crates. That time I didn't get it. These crates have a, like, not lower, but they have a chance to drop it, but it's a bit worse to do than the cows, or a lot worse to do than the cows. Because the cows, there's just more of them in general. Kill this cow. Do this cow here. The cheese keeps scaring me. I keep thinking I get it. I might just go and kill the T-Rex right now. Oh, there's a crate right there. Hold up, I'm just fire. Yo, Lewis, you still here?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Good.
Where did Bro go?
I'm going to see if the T-Rex respawned. I think that's where, yeah, this is where the T-Rex spawns over here. Because I want to get getting the egg on camera. Because we got the egg earlier. I might have already said that, I don't remember, but I want to see if it's respawned. No, it's not. It hasn't spawned here. If it hasn't spawned. No, it's spawned here. It sometimes. It doesn't sometimes. It spawns here. It doesn't.
Cooper,
What?
I'm near you somehow.
I don't know where you are. I'm lost.
I'm right here. I'm right behind you, I think.
I'm scared, I'm running. Alright, so there's no
I'm just gonna
T-Rex.
stand in a hallway.
No.
I'm just gonna stand in a hallway.
Well then I'm flying all the way up so you can't get me. Do you still have your T-Rex?
Yeah, I'm riding my T-Rex, buddy.
You're riding it, you've already been back.
Yeah, I just rejoined the code. By the way, I figured out how to go live.
Same, I already knew how to go live.
What was all that struggle about and moaning about? I don't know how to go live. Last time we recorded.
I figured it out.
Sure you did.
I generally have.
Where is bro at?
Where is Bo at? Where are you, Bo? Wait, speak again?
I'm right here.
I know where you are.
I'm right behind you. I'm heading towards the cow area. Bro, this map is gonna be amazing for hide and seek.
Hello. Hola.
You will never catch me. I am inevitable. I am inevitable.
Alright, well, this is it for today's video. We showed you how to get it, but we unfortunately did not get it. But
Bro's clickbaiting about it. It's a 1 in a million chance.
I think it actually